Okay, I'm just gonna wing it, guys. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys, or we're gonna be solving a fun kind of equation. X to the x equals 2. I'm gonna solve for x. How would you solve this? I don't know. Maybe we don't have all the tools for it. We have a secret surprise tool that'll help us later. But let's just try to get started with the equation. So naturally, what I would do, I would take the log of both sides. So x ln x is equal to ln of 2. I move this x to outside of the ln because we multiplied. Yeah. But low-key, I think it might have been better before because you can't really reduce these two x's into like a single thing. That's where our secret surprise tool, the W-Lambert function, comes into play. It takes expressions of this form where there's a something being multiplied by e raised to that same something. It gives us this identity. It's the same thing as the outside and the exponent also being w, which just gives us x. And then there's the inverse. Anyways, this function can help us out here. How? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take the left-hand side and try to get it into this form. There's an ln here, so I suspect maybe we should take the e. Maybe we should raise this x to the e. How do we undo that to make sure that the expression stays the same? We take an ln of x. E to the ln of x, that just gives us the same x, and then ln x. The right-hand side stays the same, ln of 2. Wow, guys, I think we might be onto something here because this expression looks a whole lot like this Lambert W. As a matter of fact, the x here corresponds to the x here because the x and the exponent and the x being multiplied, they're the same ones. So yeah, let's take the w of both sides. So when we take the w of this expression here, we get w e to the ln x, and then that's equal to w ln of 2. Let's move this out of the way. So, I mean, this identity also says that if we have this expression in this form, we could just take this ln x and pull it out of the expression here. Ln x falls right out, w ln of 2. We're so close. How do we get that x? We raise both sides to the e. Or we take the whatever. So the e and the ln cancel out, and we just get left with x is equal to e to the w ln of 2. What does that mean, guys? It means that we can take, this is a unique number, such that when we take this number and we raise it to itself, out follows the number 2. That's pretty remarkable, right? That's crazy. It's kind of hard to calculate this w by hand, but there is a decimal approximation for this number in case you want to try it out. It's 1.559610469, whatever. The number is right here. And if I pulled out two calculators so you could see this, it's pretty damn close to 2. Pretty damn close to the number 2. If you want to see what this w looks like, there are other YouTube videos that talk about it. Yeah, it's called the Lambert W function, also known as product log. And it's like logs but on steroids because it helps you solve way more functions or way more kinds of expressions like we did here. Yeah, hope y'all like this.